In this video, we're going to talk about the user preferences. And what we mean by user preferences is your user who you're logged in as has a set of like different settings that are global. They go across all accounts, right? And so what you're looking at here is the two different user preference settings. Okay, we have language and theme. Now to get to this page, all you do is click on the user icon in the top right, and there's a preferences button here. You click on that and it would bring you here. So now when you change one of these settings, it changes across the entire application, right? So if it's from English to Spanish, as you can see, it changes all the different text throughout the application. All right, so we're going to keep it English, and same goes for the theme. If I want to change the entire theme of the application, then I would just use that button there. So those are the user preferences. Again, go to the top right corner and click on that drop down, and you'll see the preferences button here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.